I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Hustle as a trigger. Choose a form. Next. Now here search and select MailPoet. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Choose a list from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to MailPoet. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now navigate to MailPoet. Then go to Subscribers. Here is the data that came into MailPoet through the integration. Thanks for watching.